So you've decided to take your fitness journey to the next level and build some serious muscle? That's awesome. Building muscle not only improves your physical strength and appearance, but it also boosts your metabolism and enhances your overall health. But where do you start? Well, fear not, because in this video, I'll be sharing with you some key tips and insights on how to effectively build muscle. First and foremost, let's talk about the importance of a well-designed workout program. To build muscle, you need to engage in resistance training. This can be done through weightlifting, bodyweight exercises, or using resistance bands. The goal here is to put stress on your muscles, causing microscopic tears that your body then repairs, resulting in muscle growth. So, to establish a solid foundation, make sure you have an organized workout plan that targets specific muscle groups on different days, allowing adequate time for recovery. Now, when it comes to resistance training, progressive overload is key. This means consistently challenging your muscles by increasing the weight, reps, or sets over time. The principle behind progressive overload is to push your muscles beyond their comfort zone, forcing them to adapt and grow stronger. So, don't be afraid to gradually increase the intensity of your workouts as you progress. Next up, let's talk about nutrition. Building muscle requires not only the right exercise regimen but also the right fuel for your body. Protein is the most crucial macronutrient for muscle growth, as it provides the building blocks for repairing and building new muscle tissue. Aim to consume around 1.6 to 2.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight per day. Good sources of protein include lean meats, poultry, fish, eggs, dairy products, legumes, and plant-based protein supplements. In addition to protein, carbohydrates and fats are also essential for fueling your workouts and supporting muscle growth. Carbohydrates provide your body with the energy it needs to perform intense workouts, while fats help regulate hormone production and support overall health. Opt for complex carbohydrates such as whole grains, fruits, and vegetables, and incorporate healthy fats from sources like avocados, nuts, and olive oil. Timing your meals is another crucial aspect of muscle building. To optimize muscle growth and recovery, aim to consume a protein-rich meal or snack within an hour or two after your workout. This post-workout meal should include both protein and carbohydrates to replenish your energy stores and aid in muscle repair. Now, let's talk about rest and recovery. Many people overlook the importance of rest days, but they are just as crucial as your workout days. When you engage in resistance training, you create small tears in your muscles. It's during rest that your body repairs and rebuilds these muscles, making them stronger. Additionally, adequate rest allows your central nervous system to recover, reducing the risk of injury. So make sure to schedule rest days in your workout program and aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night. Supplements can be a valuable addition to your muscle building journey, but it's important to remember that they are not magic potions. They should complement a well-balanced diet and training routine. Creatine monohydrate, for example, has been proven to enhance strength and lean muscle mass. Whey protein supplements can also be beneficial for meeting your daily protein needs. However, always remember to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement. Lastly, let's touch upon mindset and consistency. Building muscle is not an easy or quick process. It requires dedication, discipline, and patience. Results won't happen overnight, so it's important to embrace the journey and stay motivated. Set realistic goals, track your progress, and celebrate your achievements along the way. Remember, every workout, every healthy meal, and every good night's sleep brings you one step closer to building the muscle you desire. In conclusion, building muscle is a multifaceted process that involves a well-designed workout program, proper nutrition, rest and recovery, supplementation, and a positive mindset. By implementing these tips and staying consistent, you'll be well on your way to achieving your muscle building goals. So, get ready to break a sweat, fuel your body right, and watch those gains come rolling in. Good luck on your muscle building journey.